Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. I'm a yoga teacher and I'm all about making your body feel awesome. So for today's practice, it's going to be a really beginner stretch, so anyone can do it. All you need is your body and a yoga mat. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna start cross-legged on the mat. So get super comfy, maybe move the flesh from under your bum, really get nice and grounded. We're gonna start with 3 deep breaths as usual. So close your eyes, place your hands wherever they feel comfortable. So maybe your hands are on your knees, maybe they're at prayer position at your heart. Whatever it is for you, just have your hands wherever you'd like them. Mine are on my knees. And they're kind of just pushing my hips open, resting on my knees nice and heavy. Take a big inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with air. Open up your mouth, exhale, relax your shoulders. Big inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with air. Reach the crown of your head up to the sky. Open up your mouth, exhale, relax your hips. Big inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with air. Open up your mouth, exhale, relax your mind. Exhale away all of your negative thoughts. Beautiful. Whenever we're ready, let's flutter the eyes open. Amazing. We're going to warm up the spine, okay? So we're going to inhale, circle our arms up, interlace them above your head. Beautiful. And then on your exhale, you're going to take your right hand, place it behind you, and then take your left hand, place it on your right knee, and then twist to the right. Beautiful. We're going to try to really lengthen the spine here. So bring your attention to the crown of your head, which is where your hat would kind of sit, and then reach your crown of the head up to the sky. So really lengthening the back of your neck. A lot of times when I say reach the crown of your head up to the sky, people will kind of look up, but it's really over here that's being reached up. So where you would wear a hat is being stretched to the sky. So really imagine your spine and the back of your neck getting long. Amazing. Big inhale, reach your hands up, interlace them above your head. Exhale, bring your left hand behind you, right hand onto your knee. Big twist to the left. Again, reaching the crown of your head up to the sky. So it's really your spine that's getting super duper long. It's the back of your neck that's getting super duper long. Big inhale, reach your hands up to the sky, interlace them above your head. Exhale, left hand comes onto your right knee, right hand comes behind you, twist to the right. Beautiful. Take a moment here to really feel that nice stretch in your back. Amazing. Big inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, left hand comes behind you, right hand comes onto your left knee. Nice big twist to the left. Again, take a moment here to feel that nice twist in your mid-back. Beautiful. Inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Beautiful. Bringing the hands down. We're going to stretch the side of our, our sides here, and we're going to stretch the spine left and right. So whenever we're ready, we're going to inhale, circle the arms up. Exhale, bring your right hand onto the earth. Take your left hand, reach it up towards the left side of your mat. Sorry, the right side of your mat. Amazing. Here, there is a tendency to kind of collapse down. What we want to do instead is open our heart up towards the sky while still taking our left hand and reaching it towards that right side of the mat. So this should feel super, super yummy in your hip, in the whole left side of your body. It should feel really good for your left arm. Beautiful. Inhale, circle your arms up, interlace them above your head. Exhale, take your left hand, place it onto the mat. Reach your right hand up. Beautiful. Again, making sure you don't collapse down here, but rather opening up your heart to the sky. Amazing. This should feel so good in the right side of your body. Beautiful. Big inhale, reach your hands up, interlace them above the head. We're going to do the right side again, so exhale, bring your right hand down to the earth. Awesome. Again, ensuring that your heart is opening up towards the sky. Maybe you want a deeper stretch. If that is the case, begin to bend your right arm a little bit more, maybe walking it away from you and bending it at the same time. Making sure that even if you're bending it more, you're not beginning to lose that heart opening. You're continuing to open up your heart towards the sky. Beautiful. Big inhale, reach your hands up, interlace them above the head. Exhale, bring your left hand down, reach your right hand up. Making sure your heart is open towards the sky. Beautiful. Maybe you want a deeper stretch. If so, you can begin to walk your left hand away from you. Bend your left hand a little bit more. Getting your head a bit closer to the earth, but continuing to make sure that your heart is open towards the sky. Feel that nice stretch in your shoulder and your hip and the whole right side of your body. Beautiful. Whenever we're ready, we're going to inhale, bringing those arms up, interlace them above your head. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart, close your eyes. We're going to take 3 deep breaths. Big inhale, fill your belly up with air. Reach the crown of your head up to the sky. Exhale, relax your hips. Big inhale, fill your belly up with air. Breathe in all of the love. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Exhale away all of the tension. Big inhale, fill your belly up with air. Breathe in all of the positivity, all of the light, all of the good things. Exhale, relax your mind. Exhale away all of the negativity, all of the things that you do not need to live inside of your mind. Amazing. Whenever we're ready, let's bring our hands back down. Make sure your eyes are open. Bring your hands in front of you. Swing the feet behind you, coming into a tabletop. We're going to stretch the spine with some cat-cows. Inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, push away from the mat, draw the belly in. Feel your shoulder blades separate. Allow your head to be nice and heavy. Big inhale, arch the spine, look up. Exhale, push away from the mat, draw the belly in. Feel that nice stretch in your shoulder blades. Beautiful. Big inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, push away from the mat, draw the belly in, push away from the mat. Allowing your head to be super heavy. Beautiful. Whenever we're ready, let's come back to tabletop. We're gonna curl our toes. Make sure your hands are right below your shoulders. Make sure your hips are over your knees. So maybe you have to walk your knees in a little bit. And then whenever we're ready, we're going to begin to lift the knees off of the ground, bringing our hips up into the sky, bringing our hips up into downward facing dog. Making sure the weight is evenly distributed on both of our hands and on both of our feet. Pushing away from the earth with our shoulders. Allow yourself to feel this nice full body stretch. Downward dog is the only yoga posture that stretches every single muscle in your body. So allow yourself to just breathe here. Allow all of your muscles to relax, to stretch into this asana. Beautiful. Whenever we're ready, let's come back down onto our knees. Amazing. We're gonna open up our knees, so kind of far away from each other. And then we're gonna take our toes and touch them, so big toes are touching. And then hinge from the hips, allowing them to fall towards your heels. Reach your hands super far in front of you. Allow your elbows to fall down onto the earth, and then allow your shoulders to relax. Allow your forehead to just be heavy on the mat in a nice child's pose. Take a big inhale here, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Big inhale, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, relax your hips. Big inhale, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, relax your whole body. Allow it to be very, very heavy and allow it to just melt into this nice stretch. Beautiful. Whenever we're ready, let's begin to come back up onto our knees. Amazing. We're going to make our way onto our back. So begin to walk your feet forward. Awesome. And then we're going to, as soon as we're sitting on our bums, we're going to slowly come down onto our backs. We're going to walk our feet up so that the soles of our feet are on the earth. Amazing. We're going to lift up our hips, and then we're going to kind of hinge them towards the right, and then drop them down. And then we're going to lift up our feet, and then we're going to drop them towards the left side of our mat and allow them to just become heavy on the floor. For our arms, we're going to extend them kind of like just straight. Amazing. And then we're going to take our head and look away from our feet. So your feet go towards the left and your head goes towards the right. We're going to take 3 deep breaths here. So inhale, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, feel your right shoulder get nice and heavy. Big inhale, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, feel your legs get nice and heavy. Big inhale, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, allow your body to melt into this twist. Beautiful. Whenever we're ready, we're going to slowly begin to come back to center, bringing our legs back onto the mat, bringing our hips back to center. Amazing. We're going to bring our legs up to our heart and then interlace our hands around them just as a kind of in-between. Maybe rock left and right, giving your lower back a little massage. Beautiful. And then whenever we're ready, allow the soles of your feet to come back down onto the earth. Open up your hands again, big like a T. We're going to lift up our hips and then hinge to the left. Allow our hips to fall onto the left. This is kind of just to create space. And then again, lift up your legs and then slowly allow them to fall onto the earth towards the right. Again, your head looks away from your legs here. So your legs go towards the right side of the mat and your head falls towards the left, looking off towards the left, looking off towards your beautiful left fingertips. Take a big inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with air. Open up your mouth, exhale, relax your left shoulder, allow it to get extremely heavy, anchoring down your entire body. Big inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with air. Open up your mouth, exhale, relax your legs, allow them to get extremely heavy. Big inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, relax your whole body, allow it to get heavy. Melt into this twist. Beautiful. Whenever you're ready, let's bring our legs back to center. Amazing. Again, bending the knees, bringing them to the heart, interlacing your hands at your knees, and then again, rocking left and right, giving your lower back some love. Beautiful. Whenever we're ready, let's bring our legs down. Awesome. We're going to begin to turn onto our right side. Take a few deep breaths here. Close your eyes and just give yourself some thanks. Thank yourself for taking the time to make your body feel good. And then take a moment to thank your body for everything that it does for you. Beautiful. And whenever you're ready, you begin to come back up to a seated position. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with love. Exhale through your mouth. Let go of everything that is not love. Big inhale through your nose, fill your belly up with positivity. Open up your mouth, exhale away all of the negativity. Big inhale through your nose, breathe in all of the self-confidence. Exhale through your mouth. Exhale away all of the self-doubt. Beautiful, and then whenever you're ready, gently flutter your eyes open. Amazing. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope that we can continue to practice yoga together. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to subscribe. You can do so by clicking right here. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Namaste.